18 years younger using Vaseline and egg white. Asian anti-aging secrets. Welcome to Herbal Corner, the way to a quick and easy solution to your problem. If you're excited to find out, hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. When it comes to looking younger, you're generally prescribed a set of skincare regimes of various lotions, potions, and serums. But really everything from your nail care to your hair color can impact your appearance. For the best ways to capture a youthful glow, we've put together some tried and true home remedies that will hit the nail on the head without leaving a scratch. Here are some DIY beauty remedies to look 18 years younger and take years off your face. Ingredients: Vaseline, egg white. Now let's see how it works. Vaseline. You probably had a giant tub of Vaseline in your medicine cabinet from the time you were a little kid, with mom slathering the petroleum jelly on burns, dry skin, and even diaper rash. It's no wonder. The balm has been a major fix in the medicine cabinet since 1865. But with so many new health and beauty products that have hit the market since then, you might be thinking, do I really need this old school stuff? The short answer is yes. It is a super inexpensive product that does so much more than you probably think. Just before we share some who knew ways to use Vaseline, let's clear a few things up. Vaseline is the name of a popular brand of petroleum jelly. It is a mixture of minerals and waxes that are easily spreadable. Vaseline has been used for more than 140 years as a healing balm and ointment for one's burns and chapped skin. Petroleum is the main ingredient of Vaseline. You may be more familiar with other petroleum byproducts such as kerosene and gasoline. Just like those products, Vaseline has a slick and filmy consistency. But unlike other forms of petroleum, Vaseline is safe to use on your skin and hands. It's even a favorite for some as a moisturizer. It's safe to use Vaseline as a moisturizer for your face, but there are some things you should know if you're doing this. Keep watching to find out. Benefits. Here are some amazing benefits why Vaseline should be in your beauty regime. Locks moisture. Vaseline locks in any moisture on your face without adding other ingredients that might irritate your skin. A layer of Vaseline applied before you sleep can help restore your face's natural level of moisture and softness. Removes eye makeup. Since Vaseline is a petroleum-based, it dissolves almost any kind of makeup gently and simply. And unlike some makeup removers, Vaseline is safe to use around your eyes area. It is especially good at removing waterproof mascara. Heal minor cuts and scrapes. Vaseline forms a protective layer that seals the area of your skin where you apply it. This protective barrier facilitates healing and keeps bacteria from invading the one that's working to heal. Protects chapped lips. Environmental factors like cold wind or hot sun can dry out your lips quickly. When Vaseline is applied to your lips, it protects the sensitive skin around your mouth. It's also free of flavors and perfumes, so most people don't need to worry about getting an allergic reaction from using it. Grooms and styles eyebrows. You can use Vaseline on your face as a neat trick to styling your eyebrows. Whether you prefer a high arch or a more natural full look with your brows, you can apply a thin layer of Vaseline to smooth the hair into place and make sure they stay put. Egg white. You can do more with eggs than just eat them. A DIY egg face mask has proven benefits for your skin as an all-natural solution. Egg whites have properties to improve your skin's health, treat detrimental skin problems, and purify your face appearance. The treatments are up and coming for at-home DIY projects and are less expensive to get. Eggs are one of the many healthy superfoods found in homes as an essential staple. Not only do eggs give your body protein when you consume them in various forms, but eggs also nourish your hair and skin. Thanks to lutein, eggs can hydrate and enhance the elasticity of your skin, and protein helps repair face tissues. Egg whites firm, tighten, and tone your skin without the harsh chemicals found in some face washes. While egg masks don't need to be part of your daily skincare regimen, they can be a way to vary up your usual beauty routine. Besides, why waste so much money on an expensive face mask from the store when you can use basic ingredients found in your kitchen? It's time to pamper yourself with some homemade face mask recipes. Benefits of egg white on your skin. So, is an egg face mask good for you? Is it a myth that egg whites can benefit your skin? Let's find out now. Various benefits exist when you apply egg white face masks to your skin without the harsh effects of chemicals like retinol and alpha hydroxyl acids. When you apply natural ingredients to your face such as an egg white, it shrinks the large pores where bacteria can grow. Egg whites help greasy skin and prevent pimples and cysts, reducing the acne on your face. They can even form a protective layer over your face to avoid sunburn and blisters. Several nutrients found in eggs may benefit your skin in more ways than one. For example, an enzyme called lysozyme kills acne-causing bacteria. Protein is also found in eggs, which can repair and grow tissues while promoting strong wrinkle-free skin. One egg white contains about 54 mg of potassium, a mineral that can help clear your face. Potassium, riboflavin, collagen, and magnesium are nutrients in the eggs that have their own specialties. Potassium hydrates and moisturizes your face and preserves the moisture in your skin cells. Other benefits of egg white include: egg white is beneficial to the skin because apart from tightening the skin, toning the skin, it also aids in shrinking large pores, which reduces the surplus of sebum, the substance that protects the skin with its oily substance, which should not be much. It has potassium, which aids in preserving moisture to skin cells. Riboflavin, a vitamin in egg white, stamps out the nasty free radicals that are toxic and cell-damaging, causing wrinkles that are toxic. So how do you make these amazing ingredients work wonders for your skin? Here it is. Materials: chicken egg, Vaseline, clean bowl, spoon. Directions: first, wash your face with warm water and thus allowing the skin pores to be open. Get a bowl and break the egg. Separate white from the yolk with the shell, or separate in your hand and let the water drip through your fingers or spoon into the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline gel. Mix it with your already available Vaseline gel. With your hand well clean, apply the mixture into your face or other parts of your skin and make sure it does not touch your mouth or eyes. Leave it overnight for better results, and always repeat this once a week if you want to be forever young. And there you go. And just before we go, here is a quick note. Note that egg white face mask and Vaseline gel always help to prevent breakouts and shrink pores. It's advisable you use it once a week because of the amazing ways it makes the skin look. You'll get instant results and leave your skin super clean, refreshed, and shiny in a good way doing that. And that's it in today's video. If you find this video interesting, let us hear your thoughts in the comments. Give this a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated for more amazing videos from Herbal Corner.